Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome, you'll be able to find the option for incognito mode. If you want to remove it, first of all, what you have to do is launch up and run. For that, simply press Windows R on your keyboard. You can see over here, run has been opened. Simply type in REZ-edit. Now click on the option OK. Now you can see over here, this kind of windows will open up. You'll be able to find several options at left. Find the option for HK local machine. Once you find it, simply click on the drop down icon that you can see right next to it. Now you'll be able to find the drop down options over here. Find the option for software and click on it. Now you'll be able to find several options. Find the option for policies. Once you find the option for policies, what you have to do is right click on it. Now click on the option new. Now you'll be able to find more options. Click on the option key. Now you'll be able to create a new key. What you have to do is name this key Google. Now you can see over here the key for Google has been created. Now again right click on the option Google. Click on the option new. Now click on the option key. Now what you have to do is name this key Chrome. Now you can see over here the key for Chrome will be created. Now make sure this key for Chrome is selected. Now over here at right, what you have to do is right click. Now click on the option new. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Make sure to select the option dword value. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to create new value. Now you'll have to name this value incognito mode availability. Make sure the first letter of the words are capital and make sure there are no spaces. Now after you do that, what you have to do is right click on this option incognito mode availability. Now you'll be able to find the option for modify over here. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to modify it. Over here in the field of valid data, you'll be able to find 0 return. What you have to do is erase it. Now simply enter 1. Now click on the OK option. Now what you have to do is close this window. Now what you have to do is restart your computer. Now I've restarted my PC. What you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here I've opened it. Now if you click on the 3 dots that you can see at the top, now you can see over here the option for new incognito window will not be available. If you click on it, incognito mode will not be enabled. That means this option has been removed. So that is how you remove incognito mode in Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.